That's a squirrel, I think. See that? It's a footprint. They haven't moved through here recently. You know what? Here's squirrels. Look at him. You see him? Calm down. See it? Right. See it? They're all over around here right now. I don't have no more plaster. I gotta do something about that. I went to the place I usually get it and they didn't have it. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out. Well, look it up.
It looks like where water is.
You think that's what it is? We ain't had no water in a while. And dry.
That's what all this is. That's where the water washes. That's from last time it rained. It's from the heck of the rain.
When?
What, a couple weeks ago?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. That don't look like a...
I'm wondering if
Let's try to place it. Are they?
dried up, yeah, it's been crazy hard.
Gosh, it... Wait a minute. Listen. Besides that crow, listen how still it is.
It's always still here.
Not this still. It's really still right now.
It's always been eerie.
It is so quiet right now. Besides That little crow warning about something. What are these things here? They look a lot like rhubarb. Look at them. What is them? Look there. That's a structure. For sure. Structure. Look at that, Roy. What's that? That's so neat. There's another cool thing right there. You can see it. There's a structure. Hey, Roy. I remember where we're at now. There's a big structure back here, remember? Mm-hmm. There was a bee's nest here, wasn't there? Yeah, that's been laid on there. You can see that's been laid on there. I do believe that one there because that root has been dragged. You can see it. That root has been dragged out of the ground somewhere and laid on top of this one. So that one's probably real. Some of them are just top heavy and they lean over, or snow load on top of them and they lean over. And some of them are real. I think there's a structure down that way. Might go back that way in a minute, but I'm gonna walk up this way. Oh my bro. Let's get it stuck in the ground. See anything else? I don't want to go too far by myself because right now ain't the time. You know what I mean? Yeah. So there's a stick sticking around right there. What is all that roughed up? Look at all this dirt roughed up. Probably a bear. Turkey bear. Look, something looking for roots. Yep. Yeah, it has. You know, they say that a lot of these right-of-ways right here, is that what they're called? They do a lot on these. And so far, like, a lot of the evidence I found have been on these little right-of-ways. If you think about it, why wouldn't they? What is it? Millimeter? That's so pretty. Can I show one here so people know? Put it up. That's so amazing.
It's there, it oxidizes the
That's stuff in my shoe. That rhymes. Did you hear what you said? You said, as soon as it hits the air, it oxidizes and turns fluid. And I said, yeah, I got stuff in my shoe. Got stuff in my bag. I'm not seeing much right here. Let's listen. It's not quiet. Is there water somewhere? Listen.
Yeah, the fall's right down there.
Is that where it's at?
Yeah, you just walk straight down that hill. I think. I'm pretty sure.
What's this, Roy? Got coral. I might have to go to the bathroom here in a minute. There's some, what are they, Mayflowers? Huh? Mayflowers. Mayapple, I mean. This place here has got a lot of reports coming out of from something following them out at night. Something was digging. Bear or turkey. Something following them out at night. To weird howls from sightings over the years. So many of them. That wasn't an owl. That wasn't an owl. If you can hear this on my audio, right on this, it sounds like an owl, but it doesn't sound like an owl. It sounds like something trying to imitate an owl. I've heard this so many times. Woo! Woo woo! Sounds like an owl, but it doesn't sound like an owl. Did you notice that? Doesn't it sound like it has like, listen to it, like. I'm pointing behind me. That don't sound like, does it? At all. Sounds like it's like something, like a really bad imitation of an owl.
Mm-hmm.
Now if we could just get a whoop. Maybe if I whoop it, whoop back. What do you think? Whoop! Get some litter and stick in the ground. You found some more? What'd you find?
I don't know. What cream colored mushroom?
I don't even know if I'm going to be able to download all this. There's 15 minutes on here, but I don't want to quit because something might be behind us, and I need to record behind us. But it's like going to be like 20 minutes. I don't know how I'm going to download it on my phone to do this. Delete a lot of stuff, I guess. That was weird, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like when you hear owls all your life. What is that? Did you hear that? Okay, I'll trim his eyes. Hear it?
Sure, what it's far away.
I'm sure there was something fell back there.
Answering back.
It sounded like it. That had words. That kind of had a word in it. Cow. That was whistles, wasn't it? I don't have enough time on my thing to get all this good stuff.
You know how to edit.
Huh?
You know how to edit.
I know.
We walked right by that whole cluster of chicken noodles.
I don't know. What?
I thought those ones that were crystal.
Oh. We're almost out of here. Hopefully, we got some structures and some vocals on here, but maybe we got a visual. I'm hoping and praying, which is
Look
not.
at that whole cluster of chicken in the woods we walked by.
I seen them, but I thought in my mind, now that ain't them. I would have been your hero if I'd found them. If I showed them to you. So listen over to the left, following us. Listen, might be squirrels though. I think it's squirrels. Don't you? So loud though. And listen, I start walking, he'll start walking. See? Gosh, look at him. Them ones look good, don't they?
No. If it was to rain a couple of days, those would probably. I don't collect them side of the road because they're so pretty. They're so pretty.
owl call still got me perplexed. I can't. I can't quite. Huh? What is it? Are you okay? What is that?
Oyster.